Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about shaper machine, planer machine and slaughter machine. I am Vivek Babele, Assistant Professor, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology. Content of this lecture is introduction to shaper machine, in which parts of shaper machine, classification, working principle, advantages and disadvantages are covered. Then introduction to slaughter, in which parts of slaughter machine classification is covered, and then introduction to planer machine, in which types parts are covered. First is shaper machine. The shaper is a reciprocating type of machine. The tool used for producing a small flat surface with the help of a single point tool reciprocating over the stationary workpiece. The flat surface may be vertical and horizontal. This is the shaper machine and its different parts. Parts of shaper machine are base, column, ram, tool head, cross rail, table. These are the parts in which base is a heavy structure of cast iron, column is a box-like structure made of cast iron, ram is a reciprocating member which reciprocates on the guideway provided above the column. Tool head is attached to the front portion of the ram. It is used to hold the tool rigidity, also provide the vertical and angular movements to the tool for cutting. Cross rail, it is attached to the front vertical portions of the columns, and table is used for holding the workpiece. Classification of shaper is in different types. According to the ram driving mechanism, crank shaper, geared shaper and hydraulic shaper. According to the position travel of ram, horizontal shaper, vertical shaper. According to the direction of the cutting stroke, push cut shaper and draw cut shaper. According to the design of the table, standard shaper and universal shaper. The working principle, when the tool is held in the tool post of the reciprocating ram and perform the cutting operation during its forward stroke. It may be noted that during the backward stroke of the ram, the tool does not remove material from the workpiece. For shaping in horizontal direction, the depth of cut is adjusted by moving the tool downward towards the workpiece. In vertical, the tool is fed vertically towards the workpiece. The depth of cutting is adjusted by the workpiece sideways. Advantages of shaper are: it provides economical and simple tooling. It is easy to set up and can be used on any flat or angular surface. Disadvantages are: shaper is limited in holding close tolerance because of the long unsupported overhang of the ram at the end of each stroke. Due to its single point tooling, the shaper is not suited for production work, it having only one tool for cutting the workpiece. Second one is slaughter machine. The vertical shaper, sometimes called a slaughter, has a vertical ram. If a rotary table is mounted on the regular table, a number of slots can be made at quite accurately spaced intervals. This machine can work either outside or inside a part, provided that the interior opening is larger than the tool head. This is a slaughter machine with its parts. This is the original slaughter machine. Previous is the line diagram. Parts of slaughter machine are base, saddle, cross slide, rotary table, ram. The base is the rigidly built is cast integral with the column. Saddle is mounted on the guideways and may be moved towards or away from the column. Cross slide is mounted on the guideways of the saddle and may be moved parallel to the face of the column. Rotary table, it is a circular table mounted on the top of the cross slide. This is provided with an index plate. Index plate is provided accurate division of parts, and ram is reciprocate in a vertical direction. Ram carries cutting tool at its lower end. Classifications are puncture slaughter, production